Good morning, my dear students of class 5th. Welcome to science class. Here's my part 2 video of chapter number 12, What if it finishes? So watch the video attentively. In this video, I will explain the next topics of this chapter. Now let's start. Do you know, my dear children, what is the major problem we face from the speeding vehicles? Yeah, when we increase the speed of our vehicle, then our balance is lost and the chances of accident is increased. This is the picture of different modes of transport. What is a mode of transport? Which means the ways of transportation going from one place to another place. These include air transport, water transport, land transport. So what are the problems we face from noise of vehicles? Noise of vehicles creates noise pollution and it causes irritation, nervousness, increased stress, sleep disturbance, increased blood pressure. So these are the effects of noise pollution. So how does the air get dirty? Air pollution happens when air gets dirty. We cannot breathe dirty air. It makes us fall ill. Smoke from cars and burning leaves makes the air dirty. Smoke from factories also makes the air dirty. When we cut trees, we get less fresh and clean air. We should try to stop air pollution. Air pollution is bad for all people, animals, and plants living in the earth. Let's move to the next topic. That is, I'm going to tell you 10 golden rules for road safety. That is, stop or slow down. Buckle up. Obey traffic rules and signs. Obey speed limits. Keep vehicle fit. Never use mobile while driving. Wear helmet. Never drive dangerously. Be courteous. Never mix drinking and driving. So these are the rules we must follow to avoid accidents. Now I am going to tell you treasure. Treasure from the earth. So which is the treasure from the earth we take out? That is petroleum. Petroleum is a smelly, thick, dark colored liquid. Now do you know, my dear children, from this petroleum or oil we get kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil and fuels for aircrafts. It is also used in making several other things like plastic and paint. Now you can see the picture of usage of fuels. First one is domestic use like cooking. Second, energy for transport. Third, to generate electricity. Fourth, rocket fuels. Fifth, industrial usage. So these are all the uses of fuels. What are natural resources? Natural resources are the resources obtained from the nature. That is oil, coal, natural gas, etc. Natural resources are either renewable or non-renewable resources. Let me tell you about these resources. So what are renewable sources of energy? Sources of energy that are easily replaced by nature and can be used forever. That is, they will not be finished over time, no matter how much we use them. Examples: solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, etc. What is non-renewable sources of energy? These sources of energy cannot be replaced by nature in a reasonable time frame. For example, fossil fuels. that is coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene. Now let me explain you about fossil fuels. So what is fossil fuels? Fossil fuel is the term described to the group of energy formed approx 360 to 260 millions ago. At that time the land was covered with swamps. Swamps means wetty land, spongy land, filled with organisms and plants. As they died at the bottom of the ocean after millions of years, starting decomposing layer of sand, clay and other minerals. So different type of fossil fuels depending on the combination of organic matter, temperature, time and pressure conditions. So there are three major types of fossil fuels, that is coal, oil and natural gas. So my dear children, what is our duty? Our duty is to save all these treasures, that is fossil fuels, for the future. Now let me explain you the exercises, that is true or false, and name the following. Let me explain you the true and false of chapter number 12. Number 1. The smoke of vehicles can cause breathing problems. It's true. The smoke of the vehicles causes problem in breathing. Number 2. The poor villagers of our country still use wood and uple, that is cow dung, as fuel to cook food. It's true. Still, in some of the villages, people use wood and uple for making or preparing their food. Third, Adala step well, that is well or pond, is about 6 km from Ahmedabad. No, it's false. It was 18 km from Ahmedabad. A car needs no fuel to run. It's false. A car needs petrol to run on the road. Fifth, we should pool car. Pool car means group of people travel together to work while going to some same place to save fuel. So it's true. This procedure is proper to save fuel. 6. Petroleum should be used carefully to save fuel as well as environment. It's true. We should use our natural resources very carefully so that our environment must be saved. Now question number 4. Name the following. Any two answers you have to write for name the following. Number 1. Vehicles which run on petrol or diesel. So scooter and truck. Number 2. Vehicles that do not run on petroleum fuels. That is bicycle and bullock cart. Third. Products made from petroleum. That is petroleum jelly or soap. Number 4. Natural resources. So coal, oil, crude oils, that is kerosene or gasoline. Gasoline means petrol. Number 6. Means of transport, that is motorbike and helicopter. So my dear children, this was all for today. Watch my part 1 and part 2 videos so that your concept will be clear. Next topics will be explained in my part 3 video. Till then, goodbye.